prison later that year, her case was finally overturned in 2021. 14 years after her conviction, Seema Misra has rejected the apology.
They missed so many chances to apologize before. How can they accept the apology? They need to apologize to my 10-year-old. They took his mum away on his birthday. I was 8 weeks pregnant. They need to apologize to my younger son.
David Smith was only managing director for 6 months. He told the inquiry that, looking back, he believed there had been institutional bias against asking questions about Horizon, which meant opportunities to investigate the system were lost.
The BBC's learned that police and security officials in the House of Commons were aware of the alleged Westminster Honey Trap scam before some MPs received suspect messages. The Metropolitan Police said that an MP first receiving unsolicited explicit images in October, yet others were warned looking on story. Here's our chief political correspondent Henry Sefman.
Abby and Charlie, those are the two characters who spent months sending unsolicited flirtatious messages to men in political circles. In some cases, explicit images were exchanged. After the senior Conservative MP William Bragg announced that he had been caught up in the case, the Metropolitan Police confirmed it was investigating. Subsequently resigned the party with. Today, the Met admitted two MPs had alerted them about receiving explicit images of reports made in October, November and March. Yet many of those targeted received suspect messages this year, raising questions about whether they could have been warned. A Met spokesperson said that when they were first contacted, there was nothing to suggest that those incidents were part of a wider pattern of offending, meaning they did not believe warning all MPs was necessary.
Ukraine's President